Hi, welcome. Today I'll show you a quick, comforting corn soup you can make in about 20 minutes. No background music. Let's get started. Ingredients for 4. 2 cups, sweet corn kernels, fresh or frozen, 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 clove garlic minced, 1 tablespoon butter or oil, 3 cups vegetable stock or plain water, 1 cup milk or plant milk, 1 tablespoon corn flour, cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons cold water, salt and 1/2 teaspoon pepper, pinch sugar, optional 2 TBSP cream or butter, chopped spring onion or parsley, and a lemon wedge. Heat a medium pot over medium heat and add the butter or oil. When it's hot, add the chopped onion and sauté for 2-3 minutes until soft and translucent. Don't brown. Add the minced garlic and cook 20-30 seconds until fragrant. Add the corn kernels and sauté 60-90 seconds to warm and release sweetness. Pour in the stock or water and milk, stir, bring to a gentle simmer, add a pinch of sugar and simmer about 4-5 minutes so the corn softens and the flavors marry. Taste and season lightly with salt now. We'll adjust again at the end. Let the soup gently simmer, stirring occasionally so nothing sticks. Keep the bubbles small. Aim for a soft simmer, not a hard boil. After 4 to 5 minutes, the kernels soften, the milk melds with the stock, and the sweetness deepens. Skim any foam if you notice it, and keep the heat steady while you get the blender ready. For a smooth texture, remove roughly 2/3 of the hot soup and blitz in a blender until silky, or pulse with an immersion blender. Blend on medium-high until silky smooth, about 30 to 60 seconds. Keep the lid secured and pulse if needed for a creamier finish. Return it to the pot. Re-stir the cornflour slurry and slowly whisk it in while simmering. Cook 1-2 minutes until the soup thickens slightly. If you prefer chunkier soup, blend less. Lower the heat. Stir in the optional cream or a small knob of butter for silkiness. Adjust salt and pepper to taste. Add a squeeze of lemon if you want brightness. And loosen the soup with a splash of stock or milk if it's too thick. Ladle into bowls, sprinkle chopped spring onion or parsley, and set aside a few whole kernels for garnish. Serve the creamy corn soup hot, garnished with spring onion or parsley and a few whole kernels. Let the steam rise a moment, perfect temperature for the first spoonful. Taste and enjoy. That's your easy corn soup. If you like this recipe, please like, subscribe, and share.